Hi y'all, Haley here, and welcome back to my channel. I just finished that video of the November Sunday Riley, and I have a feeling this is going to be November's Allure. I just found it when I was looking for that. They were all piled in a box together. So I have an Allure. Your guess is as good as mine. What's in it? Let's see if this says anything about when it's from. Nope, I don't see anything that says. So that's the cover. So if you all know what month that cover is from, feel free to comment down below and let me know. And now we're going to see what's in it. Well, maybe we're going to, Anybody else know what that little yellow bottom is? Little yellow bottom right there. Little bottom. We'll just go ahead and do that because I love me some boom boom cream. Boom boom, boom boom. I'm not going to open this because I have like 3 of these open. I love this stuff. And I say it every time, this is what happiness smells like. I love this stuff. I absolutely love this stuff. Huh. I think this came in this month's Allure. Or, hold that. Actually, happen to have this month's Allure right here. But I'm thinking maybe it wasn't Allure. No, it wasn't. It was the Walmart box. Which, if you didn't see that video where I did this month's Allure in the Walmart box, the Walmart box was really awesome. I was really, really pleased. So, I'll use that. But anyways, there's a little ad in here for Gorjana jewelry to live in, love always, and layer every day. A gift for you, $20 off. Use code Allure20. But anyways, what this is the Lumify eye drops. Ooh, Sunday Riley, fancy that. This is Ceramide Moisturizing Cream. Ooh. Very silky. Yeah, I stuck my nose in it. It's a yellowish sort of cast. Smells good. It smells really good. About 3/4 full. I don't know if you can see that. You can see the bottom there. So not full, but M61 Powerful Skincare. Power Glow Peel. 1 minute, 1 step. Exfoliating facial peel. Quick glycolic and salicylic. I used to be able to say that word, and I have not been able to say it for months. I'm just, yeah. That word, right there. So, yeah. Quick glycolic, I can't even say glycolic. Quick glycolic and whatever acid exfoliating peel with vitamin K, bilberry, and chamomile. 3 treatments. Really? Wow. Allure, by the way, is $15 a month. It is one of the few subscriptions that I am still getting, so that's kind of cool. You get 3 in this. So I always like to point that out, that you'll remember this box cost $15 because of how much you get in it. Model Co. Metallic Eyeshadow Trio in Saint Tropez. I'm pretty sure I already have this. Yeah, I do. But this is what it is. I'm not going to sample this because I'm definitely going to save this for someone because I already have that. They get a lot of hate from people, and I've always liked them, so I'm happy to have that in there. And this looks like it's Model Co. also. Highlights Metallic Eyeshadow in Granite. And I like that it's a mix of full and, wow, a full and sample size. And usually the sample sizes are larger. So Yeah, for 15 bucks, I think this is totally worth it. Okay. This is eyeshadow. That's what that said, right? Yep. Metallic eyeshadow. Ooh, it's metallic, alright. Blind you. Alrighty. And there's still one more thing in here. Mineral bath salts. Dream Away Valerian and Hops Essential Oil Vegan. 2.1 ounce. 60 grams. Good. You can put this whole thing in a bath. Add bath salts to bath water. Enjoy bath for 15 to 20. You have to remember I do not have kids. Enjoy bath for 15 to 20 minutes. When I get in a bath, I'm in it until the water's cold. I drain that water out and I pour more hot water in. I read books. I watch movies. I'm not joking. Oh, Lord, 15 to 20 minutes. Why bother? But like I said, I don't have kids, so I had that luxury of just, you know, getting them. It is funny because Lacey will come and she'll come into the bathroom and I'll look over and she'll be so confused because she's just like, no, you know, I hate that place. I don't understand why you want to be sitting in that. And you can tell that her little mind is just trying to work out, how do I save my mommy? So whatever this box is from, it was a good one. Oops. Got the Boom Boom Cream back in. The happy smell. Oh yeah, that's right, because it came with that too. So, you know, I mean, this was an amazing box for 15 bucks. Very happy with that. Now we have this. This was also in there, in this box of stuff. It's Ipsy. Oh, I don't know if I've opened this before. I don't remember. This is, ooh, yeah, you can have, very soft, very pretty. A bit textured there. Could do without that, but there was a brush sitting here. Does it have any writing? Vasante. Oh, I like this. This would be like a highlighter, maybe. It's kind of weird because it's very dense. So it's soft, but it's not. I've got another brush like this. Oh my god, y'all. I just looked at all my brushes. I really need to stop opening my brushes and start saving them to give away. Nobody needs that many brushes. I can't reach them from here or I would get them. But it's not as loose. Like I don't know how to say. The brush that I use for highlighting is long. The bristles are long, but it's very loose. It's, you know, I don't know how to say it. Maybe that's saying it right. I don't know. But anyways, I like this though. It does feel nice. Alrighty, so a face mask. I see. Oh, it's a little bear. Sweet Honey Bear face mask. Oh, do you think is a bear? Is it actually a bear? Will I have a bear face if I put it on? I like the animal face ones. It will, because this one's a raccoon. Oh yay! I'm so happy. Okay, beyond that, let's see, what did they do? The Sweet Honey Bear face mask is smoothing and nourishing. Honey, I'm always a hit or miss using honey topically. Oh, I want to use it. I want to be a bear. Although this one, I'm really glad this one isn't. I'm really glad this one isn't honey. Aqua Moisture Raccoon Face Mask. Refining and deeply moisturizing. Gee, I'm excited. I'm so excited. I love raccoons. Trash pandas I just adore them. Alrighty, excuse me. Ipsy, by the way, is $10, well, $12 now. I did lock in for a year, so I paid all at once and got it for $10 a year before they upped the price. but it's still $12 a month is still very worth it. And this is just for the base bag, which I guess this is. I don't remember this bag. I don't remember seeing this bag. And yeah, and the gold things are what they put the. This must have been an extra bag. Must have been a special one or something that I got. I get those, the mystery ones and all. I haven't gotten one in a while, but this is Beauty for Real Sunlight Lip Gloss. Oh, it's sealed. Excuse me. Well, that definitely tells me. Actually, the fact that these hadn't been out of this tells me that I haven't been into this. So I don't have to worry. This is something that I've already shown you all. I think maybe I was even sicker than I thought I was in November. Because I did think that Sunday Riley was the only thing I hadn't opened. Here it is. March or April? April, isn't it? Yes, because my brother's already had his birthday and Easter's already been. So yes, it's April. And actually my brother-in-law also, I basically call him, I do call him my brother, but my brother-in-law has also had his birthday. And two of my nephews have had their birthdays. There it is right there. Looks like more, I guess, a topper. I don't really have anything left on my lips. I did have, oh, it smells. Don't you hate it when you can't tell what a smell is? It's yummy. That's interesting because it did add a little color to my lips, but not a lot. I kind of like that. All right, let's see what's next. All right, there's more. I do have, on my collection of Ulta Beauty collection lip glosses there, but this is one of those little Ipsy things. I wonder if there's some plumping. I'm feeling tingling, which I like. I wonder if there might be some plumping action going on. Not that I ever really see any plumping, but you know, they have these little tags that you could get. I carry this one. I just leave it on my purse all the time because I love Christmas. I live for Christmas all year long. But this one was included in this. They're well made, I gotta say. I mean, I'm trying to bend it. It's not bending, even these little thin thing there. It just says Ipsy on it twice. So, yeah. I'm probably just gonna, I don't know. I'll just save that for a giveaway or something maybe. Let's see, what is this? Oh, something from Tarte. Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush. I think I do finally have another of this. I'm sorry about sniffling, y'all. I think I was telling you already. My allergies are starting to kick me. There we go. I love the pattern on there. Isn't that cool? No, it's just a little plastic thing, but it's a good size for a $12 bag. You know, this is Focal Point Glow Lighter from Colored Rain Selfie Pressed Highlighter. There we go. Okay, there's a little packaging if y'all want to see that. And then this is the thing itself. A little compact. Again, no mirror. It's kind of nice. Ooh, that is super soft. Let's see. I mean, I have no makeup on at all. So why not start with highlighter, right? Oh, wow. I mean, it's definitely very bright, but it's also, I mean, you can't blend my coloring more. my sallow yellow skin. Well, that's a keeper. And I don't know if it's a full size or not, but it seems quite large to me. Let's see. Vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, gluten-free, talc-free. There we go. 3.5 gram, 0.12 ounce. How much in this guy? 1 gram, 0.035 ounce. And the little tart guy. Is that everything? That's everything. So we got a brush, a highlighter, a blush, a little keychain thing, a lip gloss that I'm really liking, and 2 face masks, including a raccoon. Who thinks I'm going to be wearing this raccoon mask real soon? And a very cute bag with a little bit of texture on it, but I love the colors. Oh, pink and purple, yeah. So that is the unknown, potentially November Allure and Ipsy. Although I'm pretty sure, excuse me, I apologize, I'm pretty sure the Ipsy is like an extra bag that I bought, a mystery bag or something. That's it. I hope y'all have a great day. I'm starting to get sleepy. What time is it? Oh gosh, it's 8:30. I've been home almost 3 hours. Guess I should be sleepy now. Oh, I just stuck my finger in that lip gloss. Bye-bye, y'all. Please like, subscribe, comment, all that fun stuff.